For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add a internet link into one of your photos inside of your blog. So the first thing I want to do is go to my dashboard. I have some blogs that I've been working on, but I'm going to start a new one. I'm going to use this template called Summertime. I was just recently in Niagara Falls, so I'm going to create a blog centered around my activity there. So I'm going to add a picture. Choose this one. Get a little bit bigger. I would like to add some information, some history about Niagara Falls. So I'm going to click on this link that I've already checked out and copy and paste that. Open up the Add Link tool. Add that, and you're done. You want to make sure that it works. Come over here, and this is where you would open it up. And there you have it. I'll add one more picture. Just drag and drop one from my desktop. Cool.